Get excited about the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, and cruise control. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.